Hello, what's up everyone? Today mag-unbox naman tayo ng isang product mula sa Shopee. So this is a Korean shoes amounting 553 pesos mula sa Shopee. So let's check out kung anong laman ng box. So this is a Korean shoes na nakita ko lang sa Shopee 1111. So guys, this was ordered from the Shopee's 1111 event. So ayan, let's unpack it from its box. So we have here the box. Ayan. So this is totally secured from the seller. And let's open what is inside the box. So we have here the shoes. Ayan, so astig yung shoes, guys. Kita nyo yung design. It's more on street design. Okay. So I have here the other one. So it's my first time to order a shoes from Shopee, because you know what? Ordering a shoes or something like a dress sa Shopee or sa online is that maraming nagkakamali sa sizes, and also may mga disappointment pagdating ng product. But this is a lot cooler from what I am expecting. Okay, so we have here the shoes. So this is only for 553 pesos. So we have here, ayan, tignan nyo yung design. So let's put it here, and then ayan, so Jean 2 Expedite Baggage. So nakakaswag talaga, at saka streetwear yung fashion niya or yung style niya. So ayan. So to rate this shoes, this is over 10. This is 9.5 over 10 because nag-exceed siya sa expectation ko, at saka napaka-astig ng kanyang design. Ayan, so kudos to the seller. So I will put the Shopee link sa comment or sa baba ng video na ito. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and then see you on my next unboxing. So thank you.